Welcome to the January 20th edition of Irvine Today. Here's what's happening this week in Irvine. The Irvine City Council adopted an ordinance that expands the city's current smoking prohibitions to include all public places, such as sidewalks, streets, and alleys, as well as common areas of multi-unit residences. The ordinance became effective on December 12, 2019, and is aimed at all types of smoking products, including tobacco, e-cigarettes, vaporizers, and marijuana. On Wednesday night, National Geographic Live presents Coral Kingdoms and Empires of Ice at the Irvine Barclay Theater. Go beyond the published story with nature photographer David Dubélé and biology journalist Jennifer Hayes as they share never-before-seen images and tell the stories about their adventures in New Guinea, Canada, and Antarctica. On Thursday evening, Gene Ross will present How to Succeed in a Digital Economy at the Mirage School of Business at UCI. Attendees will learn 5 building blocks for digital transformation to help guide your company's digital conversion. Register online. Tickets are just $20. Also on Thursday evening, National Theatre Live will screen a production of All My Sons with Sally Field and Bill Pullman, broadcast live from the Old Vic in London to the Irvine Barclay Theater. And our picks for weekend fun, the Irvine Fine Arts Center offers 2 new classes on Saturday for residents 18 and older, a mono-screen printing workshop and a photography workshop, Paper Negatives. Saturday morning, Master Gardeners at the Great Parks Farm and Food Lab will offer a free garden workshop, fruit tree pruning and berry planting. Art lovers are invited to a free Sunday afternoon art conversation at the Great Park Gallery with art critic Peter Frank, who will lead a discussion with the artists of the current exhibition, Breakdown Build Up. Also on Sunday afternoon at the Irvine Barclay Theater, Child's Play Theater Company will present The Snowy Day and Other Stories, an imaginative musical play about the childhood joys and challenges of growing up. I'm Dave Irick. Thanks for watching Irvine Today. Go to the City of Irvine's YouTube channel and subscribe to receive weekly episodes in your inbox.